Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. Today I will guide you in a mindful meditation focused on metta, also known as loving kindness. This practice will help you cultivate a softening in your heart and encourage you to be more kind with yourself and others. This practice uses repeated phrases and visualization to help evoke the feelings of friendliness and loving kindness. Now, let's begin and take a few moments to find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair, on a cushion on the ground, or reclined. Make any other adjustments as an act of self-love and self-care. A blanket, another cushion. Get cozy. The best you can, let your body relax and be at rest. Allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. And take 5 slow and deep breaths. On each inhalation, feel the fresh air fill your body. On each exhalation, let go and invite a sense of calm into your whole self. You can exhale with a sigh if you wish. Invite some ease into your belly. Now, allow your breath to be normal, flowing in and out through your nostrils. And feel the ground supporting you, gently pushing up to hold you. And notice which parts of your body make contact with the ground. Sit with an upright spine. Relax your shoulders down, hands resting wherever is most comfortable. Facial muscles relaxed. And in an attempt to slow down the thoughts in your mind, bring your attention to any sounds inside the room. Any sensations felt in the body or your breath. And as thoughts arise, let them fade away and notice the next breath or sensation, over and over with a light touch of focus. Let's start with a practice of self-love. It's so easy to be hard on ourselves, get lost in shame or guilt, perfectionism, the list goes on and on. A softening of the heart inspires a quality of self-love which can fill oneself, inviting ease to the moment. Now, imagine yourself in an apothecary, a doctor's office, or you're at the side of a caregiver who has healing tinctures and medicines for you. Each medicine is in a vial with colorful dye, and when used, diffuses into you like a drop of dye would diffuse into a glass of water. As I speak each word or phrase, allow yourself to receive and feel the resonance from this healing medicine. And if need be, adjust the words or visualizations to allow yourself to be open and feel the radiance. May I be happy and healthy. May I be showered with gratitude. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I love and accept myself just as I am. May I be compassionate. May I be patient. May I be at ease. May I be at peace. May I be liberated from suffering. Come back to your breath and body now. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. And let yourself soak in this radiant warmth. You have the option to stay here or gradually expand the focus of your loving kindness to include others. Imagine this radiant warmth expanding outwards from your center. May all beings near and far, above and below, plants, animals, and all beings be happy and healthy. May they be grateful. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they love and accept themselves just like they are. May they be compassionate. May they be patient. May they be at ease. May they be at peace. May all be liberated from suffering. Again, come back to your breath and body. Feel free to stay here as long as you'd like. For the last few minutes of this meditation, take note of how the body feels right now. Is there tightness or ease? How quiet is the breath? When you're ready, slowly deepen your breath. Feel your body on the ground and lightly touch your fingertips to the ground. At the beginning of your next inhalation, slowly blink open your eyes. And thank you for practicing with us today. Please comment on what you notice in this loving kindness meditation.